This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, sir. Okay, this week we discuss about the queue determination and resource management and how we confirm the warehouse tasks through RF environment. Okay, this week. Say the first one we know the definition of warehouse order. Warehouse order. Warehouse order is an work package. Is a work package. Is an executable work package. Sorry, executable work package. Within it, we have one or more warehouse tasks. Okay. Say a small example is, say for example, one double bedroom flat is there. If we want to go for painting work, say here in the hall, we want to go with some premium painting. Okay. Say here master bedroom, some blue color. Okay. Kitchen, some white color. Children bedroom, some other pink color, like kind of things. If we see here, four tasks are there. Why? Because one is pink color, one is blue color, one is white color, another one is half some premium design painting or something. All clubbed together, we call it as a house painting. Okay, we call a painter and give work to him. But within it, four types of tasks are there. Say for example, okay, one concept is there in outbound side warehouse order creation tools. Okay, that we are going to see very soon. Okay, warehouse order creation tool one is there. Warehouse order creation rule. If we see here, rule to create a warehouse order. Say for example, normal painter, remaining three, master bedroom, children bedroom, kitchen, normal local painter, we give that contract. But coming to hall, we give to some company like Asian Paints or Nerler Paints, these kind of things. In that case, we require two executable work package. Okay, two warehouse order. Like in outbound side, we can see clearly we use some warehouse order creation tool to decide the work packages or something. Then how we can assign this work to the resources? Okay, say here resource means, in warehouse resource means a worker or else a forklift. Okay, or else some any crane or something is there, we can use a worker or else forklift or else some cranes or something. Yeah, okay, those are calling as a resources. To resources, we need to give this warehouse order creation tool, assign this warehouse order creation tool. Sorry, warehouse orders, executable package. How we can assign it? Say warehouse order is there, we need to assign this to resource. But how means in the form of queue. In the form of queue. Okay, say for example, inbound. Inbound means we can see, say POSC, unload is there. Okay, and deconsolidation there, put away is there, and etc. Say if we have limited resources and limited activities, entire inbound we go with a single queue, inbound queue. Or else say unloading some group is the resource group, and from GR staging to deconsolidation, moving this handling units to other group is there. And once after completing that deconsolidation, some other group is there to move from decon work center to final put away. In that case, what we can do, we need to go for multiple queues. The one is unload queue, another one is a deconsolidation related queue, third one is the put away queue, like kind of things. Why this is okay required in this case, unload and etc. In the resources also, say for example, forklift. For example, forklifts, we can see different kind of forklifts. Say if we see this forklift, this is with some heavy wheels. Okay, heavy equipment, this one. Normally these kind of forklifts we can use for unloading and loading activities only. Means from door to that staging area. Okay, not for internal movements between the racks or something. Say for example, any unfortunate thing happens, entire racking system will be collapsed. Okay, this is one kind of resource. Say we can see small forklifts as well. See here, small tides. Okay, these kind of things and these kind of things, kind of okay forklifts. These we can use for internal. If we go to this POSC, inbound POSC, unloading, we need to have one queue, need to assign this big wheel forklifts. From GR staging area to deconsolidation, small forklift. From there again, okay, same forklift or another forklift we can use. Like we can segregate our groups, resource groups, and determine the queues. And these queues, okay, it is possible to assign manually to the warehouse order, or else if we go with the determination, if we go with the determination process, automatically this can determine into our warehouse orders. For determination, this is very, very important. For determination, 5 control parameters are there. 5 control parameters. This is certification question, and wherever you go, any interviews or something, but definitely they can ask. This is very, very important. Okay, say here, what are those 5 control parameters? The first one is source activity area. Next one is destination activity area. Destination activity area. Third one is bin access type. Bin access type. Say here how we are going to access this kind of thing. Say for example, resources are there, forklift. Forklift, we cannot give authorization to go and lift the this one where carton box are storing. Okay, why? Because if we try to lift a carton box directly, it will collapse, damage that box. Okay, so bin access type is a control parameter. The next one is warehouse process type. Warehouse process type, we know it's a control parameter to move products physically or logically. That is warehouse process type. Now coming to here, another last one is activity. Why activity also there? Say I'm asking you all one question. Okay, what is the activity in warehouse process type 3060? This we use for internal HU movements in inbound POFC. Okay, just let me know. Okay, pardon, sir. Put away. Perfect. The activity is put away. Say, if I want to go with a, say for example, unload, there some put away warehouse process type is there. Moving the destination bin, another warehouse process type is there. And put away also, we use that this one. Instead of creating 3 entries, warehouse process type level, if we go with a direct, that is possible. Okay, say here this one. So instead of going with multiple warehouse process types, it is possible to use a single activity as well to determine the okay queues. Concept is same in both decentralized and S4HANA. There is no difference at all. Okay, we can see where we define the queues and how we can determine in our works and etc. We are going to EWM environment. IMG setup, extended warehouse management, cross-processing settings, resource management. Okay, define queue type. Queue type, this normally we use to utilize the task interleaving in RF concept, not a desktop. Okay, task interleaving. One concept is there called task interleaving. What is this task interleaving? We see one image. See this one. If this is representing no task interleaving, if we see here, this is the direction right side. Here one human worker is there. Okay, one forklift is there. They are going to execute their inbound relevant activities. Put away, say assume, from GR staging area to this one. Okay, once after completing this, they need to walk ideally to their GR staging area. Ideally. Okay, just say for example, okay, ideally, okay, they go there and they do this and come back to the GR staging. Now I go with the task interleaving. Say here workers are there from GR staging area group. They are doing the put away activities. Instead of okay returning, ideally nearby anything is there. Okay, regarding this outbound items. Okay, they are picking and move to GA stage. If we see here, GR and GA staging area is in same direction. I will give one example. One weekend, we have some bank work and bringing vegetables from vegetable market as well. Two tasks we have. Okay. Say here, bank, we need to credit one check. Say here, if I do not follow task interleaving, what we can do? First, we go to the bank, credit the check, and return back to the home. Again, from home, we go to the vegetable market to bring the vegetables, again return the home. Here, say here, we are ideally coming from the bank to home. Instead of that, if I follow the task interleaving, okay, say here we get a bag and check as well. Go to the first, go to the bank, credit the check, and go to the nearby vegetable market, bring the vegetables to the home. Ideally, we are not okay. We are not moving so much distance or something. Means that is second thing is the second case task interleaving. Depends on. Say here another image is there. This one. GR zone is north side, GI zone is south side. As a EWM consultant. Okay, can you prefer this task interleaving here? Come on, please.
No, sir.
Hello, okay, can you suggest as a EWM consultant this is the warehouse layout?
No, no, sir. No.
Obvious. Why? Because GR zone is this side, GI zone is this side. Okay, say for example, we are doing the put away here. Okay, go to here, put away. Again, any outbound is there from here or here, we need to go here, keep this. From here, we need to say we don't have any another picking or activities, and next put away is there. From here, we need to walk to here ideally. So it's a depends on warehouse layout and resources groups. We go with the this one. Okay, task interleaving. This one. Okay, say here coming to this queue type. Queue type can be used to decide in the RF environment only for the task interleaving. Queue types influence warehouse order selection for a resource during the task interleaving in a radio frequency. RF cannot so use, not in the desktop. Okay. Say here anyway we can create queue types. Okay, we are going to demonstrate in warehouse AGCK. Please note that IBD inbound. OBD outbound queue. AGCK internal queue. Say here queue types. Okay. Normally these queue types are influencing in the RF selection for task interleaving. Next, define queues. Here we can define the queues. Go to here, define queues. Here, go to our warehouse. New entries, AGCK. Say for example, first go with normal queues, inbound queues, queue type IBD. I am selecting here operational environment. Either you want to execute this in RF or non-RF. Okay, say for example, first go with non-RF, no resource management. Okay, say here queue type this one. Next one, AGCK outbound. Outbound queue, OBD, non-RF. Next, AGCK internal. Save it. Now define queue determination criteria. Here we can use it. Say go to warehouse number. Say here new entries, AGCK. The first one is the source activity area. Next one is destination activity area. Say for example, destination activity area RK01, Q is inbound. Say here like first destination activity area we can see. Single control parameter. Say here we are using destination activity area is a control parameter. This is not only enough. We should have to maintain queue access sequence. Go to here, go to our warehouse. Nothing is there. New entries, AGCK. Here, a single we can use or else multiple also we can use. In our case, destination activity area we are using first. See here. Now we come with one test case. Okay, say here. Go to ERP system. And I am deactivating POSC for our products. Deactivating POSC means just we remove the warehouse process type. Go to master data, product, maintain warehouse product. Normal we can see. Come to here, VL31 here. QD01. HU or non-HU, whatever it may be. Say here 7649. Come to EWM, delivery processing. Go to inbound delivery. Okay, goods received. Say here. While creating itself, it can determine and place in the warehouse order header level. This one, RK02 it is going. Say, come to here, log. Queue determination started. Destination, this is the warehouse number, source, destination, warehouse process type, and the activity is there. Say here, only one entry is there. Okay, this is picked. So inbound got determined. Inbound got determined. Now come to here. This also you can see. Inbound got determined. Now create plus save. Go to warehouse orders. Say here, please note that activity area determined, then only that can be counts. Okay, this is HU warehouse task. Now open the header. Here this got determined. Okay, while during the warehouse task, it is going to be determined this. Okay, queue, and that is populated in the warehouse order header. Say this one. Say for example, I want to go with separate RK02 Q separate, RK03 Q separate. How we can achieve? We can check it. I am cancelling this. Cancel. Now go to here. IMG setup. Extended warehouse management, cross processing settings, resource management, define queues, RK02 IBD. RK03 IBD. RK02 IBD, RK03 IBD. Now come to here, queue determination criteria. RK02. Here, this is we are using destination only. Destination activity. Now we can see the queues. Come to here again, create warehouse task. Can you hear me, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Some small disturbance was there. Now coming to here again, we go to our system logged off and logged on. Go to our queue determination inbound delivery. Here we have taken separate RK02, 03. Go to inbound delivery. HU warehouse task. Now see here, this is going to RK02, and if we see here message log, we are getting RK02 IVD. So this is going to RK03. We are getting RK03 IVD, separate ones. Why? Okay, destination wise, okay, we have given separate queues. Say here. The same thing we can see at here, RK02 IVD, and here RK03 IVD. Okay, like this. Say this is the destination. Say for example, I want to get again queue. Again, our common queue inbound. How? That we can check. Go to easy access. This time I am going to use warehouse process type. Go to IMG setup, extended warehouse management, cross processing settings, resource management, define queues, queue determination criteria. Say here new entries, AGCK. This is the warehouse process type 1010. If that is there, I want to get inbound. Say here. Now EGR, the access sequence. Define queue access sequence. New entries, AGCK, this time process type. Now again try to determine the queues. Go to our inbound delivery. RK02 IVD only determine, not our common inbound. Say here. Why? The reason, okay, whatever the target means required entry, we have kept on second access sequence. That is the reason. Say here, I am changing the access sequence. Second, define queue access sequence. Second. Again, go to here. Inbound. Second, okay, say here this one. Say we can use multiple as well. Say for example, process type plus destination activity area both together we can use. Okay, that also one example we can see. Go to Q determination. One a new Q. Okay, for our idea, new. Go to here. I am copying this like SPL, special IVD. Okay, just assume that special ID IVD. I am going to use it. These three characters we can use. These three characters. Come to here, define queues. Say here, new entries, AGCK. Source we know, AGGR. Here it is not there. We can generate it. Go to master data. Generate activity area. AGGR. But SBST is required for this. Why? Because bins are created earlier. Done. New entries. Say for example, if it is going to RK02, therefore process type 1010, we want to get RK02 IVD. This one. Remaining as it is, we can keep. Initial queue. Not allowed. One thing. Initial queue not allowed means one earlier, this is there. Blank and queue. Say three combinations. For RK02, I want to get this one. RK02. Go to say your warehouse process type is there and destination activity area plus warehouse process type I am giving second one or else the activity. This is wrong entry. Okay, we did not maintain it. Come to here AGC ka third one. Source is there, destination is there, process type is there. We will check it. Say there are three entries. There are three entries. One is activity dummy entry. Now come to our warehouse task. Again, you can create. Here you can see the sequence numbers, sir. This one is 1010, one only the determine 1010 inbound that. But our requirement is separate queue, special queue. We need to get it. This we can check. For this 1010. Now everything is in access sequencer. More specific to specific, you should have to maintain. More specific. Come to this one. More specific. Say for example, okay, process type is there, right? We are using this. Okay, this one, second one is wrong. Okay, say here. Now we can check. For the RK, this one RK02, it will trigger special. and this is not dummy, this one. Third one is for RK03, you can see sequence. Again, come to warehouse task. RK02 IBD got determined, we will check it. Inbound, say here, first one failed, second one failed, third one warehouse process type is there. Now this we can check, first one. First one we require special. First one, combination AGGR RK02 put away is there. Second one, warehouse process type is picked. We will check it. Here, one is not determined. Two, warehouse process type it is picked. But here, two warehouse process type we did not use it actually. This we can use it. But the table update not properly. AGCK, AGGR, RK02 1010 got separate is determined. One thing. Yeah. Source destination, only source, and the activity. We should have. Oh, okay. One thing. We can give. Okay, one only it is say one thing, sir. Come to here, one, which one we have maintained? We will check it. One clear entry, okay. For second one, we are getting this. Go to here, second product. Yeah, this one. This we need to change. This we need to change. Now come to here. Now it will come. Like we go with the 5 control parameters: source activity area, destination activity area, warehouse process type, bin access type, and activity. Okay, we use some 3 control parameters in the inbound. Okay, please do this. Okay, for your warehouse today itself. Okay, tomorrow we see the resource management, and slowly we enter into the RF environment. Okay, okay, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.